Hey everybody, it's Bobby with KCA Ranch and Homestead. Haven't made a video in a while except for a few shorts. I'm on the new Kioti NS50 something. Beep! I'm on the NS5310 hydrostatic tractor. I've got a hydraulic tree puller attached to the front end, and I've been going to war with some various yopon, holly trees, and some other trash trees on our property that are taking up water and sunlight for the other tree. I'm going to try to film a video holding my phone and operating the tractor while I try to pull out a pretty good sized holly tree with a good root base. It may not be successful. I haven't tried one this big yet, but we'll see what it does. I'm going to try to flip this camera around and see what we can do. Try to show you the latched onto the tree. Now I'm gonna close the hydraulic jaws. Alright, now I'm gonna try to rock the tree back and forth just to loosen up the roots. And that killed it. I'm going to open up the jaws and get a little bit higher grip. Maybe I can. Getting some progress. Alright, still struggling with this tree. I've got the roots out of the ground. They're just holding on for dear life, so here we go. Woo, doggy. There we go. I'm going to shake that root ball a little bit. So the trick is to keep the tree from falling on you. I'm going to lean it forward a little bit. Put it in medium. I had it low. Tilt it over, open up the jaws. Alright, that was some work. Prior to this tractor, I would have had to cut up the chainsaw, try to get the stump dug out, and cut it flush under the ground or a little bit below the ground so the lawnmower blades wouldn't hit it. Just something I really didn't look forward to doing, but these holly trees are becoming just crazy. They're sprouting out everywhere. Well, hold on. We just got holly trees that are too big for the tractor puller, but we took out a lot of them when we had the land cleared, but we didn't take out enough, and now they're just sprouting everywhere and they grow so fast. But anyway, that's about it. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you want to know any more about Kioti tractors or front end hydraulics or implements, I am not an expert, but I'm learning. I did have the third function remote, aka front hydraulics, put on here so I can run a grapple for picking up stuff and run this tree puller. That was my main function. Really enjoying it. The land's looking great. I'm just getting started on pulling trees, but appreciate you tuning in. Go ahead and like and subscribe. Just a little update. I am now fully retired. After I retired from 30 years law enforcement, I took another job within a month and worked for 2.5 years. And as of a couple weeks ago, I am fully retired, resigned from that job to enjoy life and prep for upcoming surgery on my pancreas, which I'll maybe talk about in a future video. But all is well, no cancer, just messed up pancreas, messed up like a football bat, messed up like a soup sandwich, messed up like Kamala Harris. But I'm a survivor. Been through colon cancer surgeries 3 times, so not a step for a stepper. Anyway, I really appreciate y'all tuning in. I may get enough video action on here to monetize in the near future, so please like, subscribe, share, all that good stuff, because it goes into the algorithm. Thanks for watching KCA Ranch and Homestead.